Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead on your mobile device. Since Cuphead isn't natively available on phones, we'll focus on cloud gaming. This innovative approach allows you to stream the full game directly to your smartphone or tablet, bypassing the need for a powerful local installation. You'll need a reliable internet connection, ideally 5 megabits per second or more, to ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience. Many services even offer a free trial to get you started. Several excellent cloud gaming services can bring Cuphead to your mobile screen. Xbox Cloud Gaming is a fantastic option if you have a Game Pass Ultimate subscription, offering a wide library of titles. NVIDIA GeForce now allows you to stream PC games you already own from various digital storefronts. Additionally, Amazon Luna offers a selection of games through its subscription channels, providing another viable platform for enjoying Cuphead on the go. Each service has unique benefits. To truly master Cuphead on mobile, an optimal setup is key. We highly recommend using a Bluetooth controller for precise and responsive input, as touch controls can be challenging for this fast-paced game. Make sure your mobile device meets the minimum specifications required by your chosen cloud gaming service to avoid performance issues. Also, closing any unnecessary background applications will free up resources, leading to a smoother and more enjoyable streaming experience with less lag. For the best possible Cuphead experience, connect to a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi network to minimize latency and ensure a stable stream. If you encounter any stuttering or visual hitches, try adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower preset. This can significantly improve performance. For ultimate stability, consider connecting your home router to the internet with a wired connection. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.